Hello, today we are solving October 2022 IAL Unit 2, question number 2, part B of 3, okay, total material variance. Now there has been a change with the material usage variance, material price variance as opposed to the budgeted quantity and price, and we had calculated those variance. Now what was the total variance as regards to the material? So let's see that. So we had calculated the total usage, material usage variance, okay, material usage variance. So plus the total price, material price variance. So that is going to be equal to, this value is 1681 adverse. This is also adverse, that is also adverse. So you just add up the two variances plus this was 190 pounds per material price variance. So that is going to be equal to 1871.92 pounds. Okay, this was the total material